Don't start.
Mm.
Hi guys, welcome to AB Telecoms. Here's another box that has been added to AB Telecoms. So initially, I have EasyJ tag, and also I have UFI box. But these two boxes are not enough because of the recent updates in eMMC and UFS chips. So F64 has been out for some time. So finally, I got mine. So this is the F64 box itself. Then here are the four adapters that come along with it. Okay, so this one is the F64 UFS. This is a UFS socket for BG153. So let us unbox it together. This is the adapter for 153. There is UFS 153 adapter. Also, this one is the eMMC. This socket is for the eMMC 4-in-1. The 4-in-1 eMMC. You have the 153, 153/169. Same also BG221, BG162, also BG186, and lastly BG254. The BG254 mostly used for using Samsung models. So the third adapter is on this on UFS 297. UFS 297. It also looks like 254, but a little bit bigger than 254. It's common. It's not that common. This UFS 297 is not that common here in traction phones. It's not much common. Not that common in traction phones. Then lastly, for the sockets, you have UFS 254 sockets. Everything is intact. So in this video, I'll also be showing you guys how to set up your F64, how to set it up in your PC. Wow, nice packaging. I'll rate them 5 star for their packaging. Very nice. It even comes with this come along with this bag, which is nice. Zip it. Wow, look at marvelous. So fine. So here's the box itself. Okay, these are the outputs for ISP. These are the outputs for ISP. Here's the USB data cable. Right, it's lovely. So here are the cables. This is the power cable inserted in this point, in this place. So this is the cable. These are it also comes with all these accessories used for ISP jumpers and all of that. All these connection cords. And finally, all these ones are meant for UFS. Okay, like this one now is UFS also, which is UFS ISP connection. To be inserted in this way. Although I'll be giving you guys updates on how to use sorry giving you guys updates on how to use all this that comes along with it. So you just have to solder your jumper wires here. These are the ISP. These are ISP for UFS connection and also for eMMC chips. Okay, so for eMMC chips, it's like this one goes okay. So also this side also. Right. So anyways, I'll be giving you more updates as I will also install the software. Guess I'm tired. So see you some other time, guys. I'll also be using this medium to reach out to you guys. Please, I'm active for jobs. Okay, I'm active for jobs. We have all the boxes available. There's no issues on any Android phones that you cannot fix now. No issues at all, whether dead or not. No issues that we cannot fix. Is it MDM? Is it FRP? Is it Google account? Everything, it can be fixed here in maybe Telecom. So you guys should bring in jobs. I'm active. Distance is never a barrier. You can bring in your jobs from every nook and cranny of the federation, from any state of your choice, and also try and reach out to me on my YouTube channel, AB Telecoms. I also want you guys to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Alright, so if you're an upcoming engineer or an engineer that you don't understand anything I've said in this video, just reach out to me and I'll put you through. Anyway, this box, I know some persons will be likely to know the price of this box. This box is not cheap. It's not cheap at all. It's not cheap. It's expensive, but it's worth it. Okay, these two combined, this F64 is more powerful than these two combined. Okay, so anyways, we'll be using all of them together. Thanks guys, remain blessed. Please, lastly, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell for more updates immediately I drop more content, so that you'll be the first to watch it. Okay, all right, thanks, peace out.